Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about on how you can actually get the Claude Pro completely for free for 1 month. So how it actually works is that you're gonna claim it right here, like visit, and you can get it for October, for example. And right here, that sometimes they have these promotions, right? That today only ends first day, October 30. So new users or first time subscribers. So you want to go on Reddit and notice like every single day, just like check the threads if there is like possibility to have it for free. And many times they have these promotions, and you just want to actually like wait for these promotions and then actually like jump on the train. And this is how it's actually done and how the whole process works. So when you're gonna do it, then you will see that it actually works, and that's something you can actually do. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.